Good day, welcome to Mr. Yuhai Pabi. Yan, so may free sticker po yan nakasama. So ito po yung ating unit na Army Armament Pit Viper R614-1. Yan. At syempre may kasamang manual yan for safety, procedure, assembly and disassembly. And instruction and description, nandiyan po yan. So magazine capacity 30 rounds, high kappa mags. Yan, so andyan po yung kanyang logo sa ilalim ng base pad. And then ito yung ating unit. Ang ganda, solid. Ito yung Pit Viper. Siyempre may serration, mga markings, may railings, extended mag release, naka-magwell, aggressive stapling yan, siyempre fiber optic, front sight, yung kanyang rear sight ay adjustable, at naka-ambidextrous safety na din po yan. So mga logos and markings, naka-compensator. Yan. Fully licensed by Taran Tactical Innovation and JAG Precision. Yan. Full metal construction with CNC aluminum slide. Featured in John Wick Chapter 4. Yan. So ito po yung ginamit sa John Wick Chapter 4. Itong Pit Viper. Yan. Brand dito ay Army Armament. Color ay black. Originating by TTI. Replica pistol. Model high kappa. Yan. FPS niya 300 based on details. Powered by green gas. And semi-auto function. Gas blowback. Half-up adjustable. Ang weight nito ay 1.06 kg. And yung kanyang length ay 260 mm. And barrel thread type po nito ay CW. Sabihin po nun ay clockwise positive. And material niya ay metal. Ayan. Army Armament Pit Viper. Thank you.